single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I'm coming very late in the sense that I already did my brows and my full face. I just want to show you guys how I will achieve this eyeshadow. So to start off priming my face, I am using the Elegant Pro Primer in the shade Nude just to prime my face here. Prime my eyelid here. So yeah, to blend that out, that primer, I'm just using my hands to do that. So the first eyeshadow palette I'm starting off with is this Pop Feel eyeshadow, and I'm taking from the greens area. I'm taking this shade, this green here, as a transition shade. Starting off with green is so next up, I'm taking this box of crayon eyeshadow palette and I'm using the green and the red, mixing both shades together. So going in with this pink shade, I'm just going to blend the edges, blending it towards my brow bone. And yes, cut crease. I feel like I'm too into cut crease these days, yeah. Like I'm just too into it these days. I'm using that same primer I used to prime my eyelids to sort of cut my crease. Yeah. And this crease is going to be higher than my usual crease, my usual cut crease, yeah. And it's not a full cut crease, just a half cut crease, so we're safe. So taking my Take Me to Brazil palette, I'm just gonna use this green shade here. Like this is my favorite green, and just pack it in. I love this shade, like this eyeshadow. Like it's so pigmented, like so pigmented. Like can you guys see the pigment? It's crazy. So taking this other green shade here and this shimmer one, just mixing the two and putting it at the middle part of my lid. Just trying to blend the other shade out. So taking the black from this palette, I'm just gonna add some definition to my eyeshadow. I'm blending it in. Just blending it softly into the eyes, not anything dramatic. So taking my NYX Jumbo pencil in milk, I'm just gonna line my other eye. So taking this palette, I'm just going to smoke this red shade underneath my eyes. So taking my Cleof cosmetic palette, and I'm taking this red glitter, mixing two and putting it just a tad bit. So yeah, down back to my face, I'm blending off all the excess powder out. I'm dusting off the full powder out of my face. To highlight, I'm using the Eminem 3D highlights, and I'm taking Starlight to highlight my face. So for blush, I'm using the Care palette, and I'm taking these two shades for blush.